Clea Bra North Dallas, red C8, full wrap, real quick, gonna run around it. Here we go. Emblem removed and replaced. The only way to go. And like I always say on all these type of cars, you have to wrap all these edges. I see it. I'm telling you, the guys that don't wrap this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point, you're gonna regret it. Trust me if you don't do that. All this has to be wrapped in because all the wind flow, all of this has to be wrapped in from the fender, or you're gonna lose the film and you're gonna have damage. So continue to walk around. Everything's wrapped in. Everything looks good. Fuel port, deck lid, trunk lid, wing, rear letters removed and replaced. There you go. And the Stingray removed and replaced. No lines. No lines anywhere. So, Clea Bra North Dallas, C8 red with black. Beautiful car. Fully ceramic coated. It's got a 5-year ceramic coating on this one. And that's about it, folks. Appreciate you watching. Nice, short, and sweet. Any questions, CleaBraNorthDallas.com, 940-999-6131 should you need any assistance. Thank you.